All right, we're back with our boots on. Boots on. All right, we're gonna go and hit these trails and see what's up.
And there's quite the trail map too. So
okay, where are we? Where are we gonna start? Where are we going?
So we're here. I think we'll go up to the pavilion and maybe go over towards this way by cabin 2 and check this area
around that way?
out. Yeah, because we haven't really been that way too much, so we'll go over that way and maybe check out what's on this side and try and bring ourselves back around, or maybe head down there depending on how timing goes.
All right, let's go check it out then.
All right.
We got our little backpack here. We got some snacks and some water and stuff in there with the warrior flag. Yeah, GoPro. All right, we're heading out. Fire should be good. All right, let's go. Ooh, hear that wind? It's getting windy. So we're gonna head down the trail that way and see what's going on in there. And she's got the map out all ready to go. Where are we?
We're like right in here.
Yep, going
We're
for
gonna
the
go
corner.
there.
And we can take a left or go that way.
If we go that way, we got all that there, or we can just keep going a big circle.
Okay. I don't know what that noise was, but kind of took a pause there and we both looked. Okay, let's head down this trail then. And then, yeah, we'll be back in a few. Look at this terrain.
You could freeze, don't go pee.
Up the hill, you can see the Kubota tracks. The Kubota that's over by the truck in the parking lot. Ooh, what's around the corner? Oh, I found a sign. Arrow. This way.
Follow the yellow arrow road.
Look at this view. What are you doing? She's busy. Alright, I just did a whole circle all the way around. There she is. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got a sign coming up here. Ooh, there's a froggy. Ooh, he's cruising. See what this sign says up here. What's the matter?
Nasty.
Go right in the middle. Walk on all that shit, yeah. Gotta remember too, it just rained, so this morning.
Ooh.
Ooh, what's that? A gate? Alright, what do we got?
Okay, so this will take us to both. So let's go
Alright, we're
this
going right.
way. Yeah. So the loop, you'll end up back here if you take the Rob
loop,
Roy loop.
yeah.
You'll come all the way in a circle and end up here. This
So maybe we could just hit that way on the way back, right? Can we branch off that, I think? Maybe not?
No, we'd have to go around it and then go to other ones after.
Oh.
Because the other ones go down and you have to come back up. And eventually you'll meet there, but I don't know if we'll get enough time.
What size of that boulder?
Because we do have the sauna booked again at 7, so we want to make sure we get back in time.
You got the sauna booked at 7 again?
Woo! A night sauna. We'll go for
The cold
sauna,
dip plunge.
Cold plunge maybe. And then we'll go back for dinner and relax and have a fire.
Ooh. All right, we came through this little tight spot here, and we hit this. And maybe we can squeeze by here on the right side, and hopefully I don't fall in. All right, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, but you have long legs.
You got it, babe?
Maybe. Maybe not. We're gonna find
There you
out.
go. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa.
Please don't fall in the mud.
Don't fall in the mud.
Don't fall in the mud.
Wow, these mosquitoes are crazy.
Yeah, they are.
As soon as you stop, they're freaking all over you. Don't stop. Keep going. And here's me wearing
It is an
my
adventure, right?
my shirt, my warrior shirt. Yeah, with no sleeves.
I know I don't have sleeves, but I have a sweater just in case. Because I always bring a sweater wherever I go.
Oh, I was off road.
Just my rule of thumb.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, got another arrow here pointing.
Keep going right.
It's the only way you can go.
I
Yeah.
don't find any more before.
Don't be running and take it off on me now. All right, made it to more signs here. Mosquitoes everywhere. Make sure you bring lots of off, and make sure you bring the good stuff. Bring the good stuff, because the other stuff doesn't work. All right, are we going this way still?
Yes. We will go
All
this
right.
way. Pretty River Trail.
Yeah, this one's a little muddy too.
Maka.
I don't know if you can hear that. Look at these trees. Ooh, watch out for that boulder. I was looking up and almost tripped over it. Look, look down real quick. Let's do a circle here. What's that?
I think I went through a spider web.
Yeah. Yeah, I went through a couple too already.
Should have worn my Fitbit. Could have got my steps
Oh,
for the
yeah.
week. Froggy.
Yep, should have brought your Fitbit.
Okay. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Just
Look at this
walk
part.
for the sake of
A little bit
doing
different, eh? A whole bunch of little trees together, and it's like a little cave, all surrounded by trees or branches over top.
It makes like a little canopy over you.
Yeah, there you go, like a canopy over top of you. There you go. Nice one, babe. Listen to that wind.
Mud. Lots of it. Yellow sign. Let's go this way.
Wait. Oh, I got a web now.
Yeah, I got part of it too.
Oh, we both walked into it.
I just want to make sure there's no big ass spiders hanging off me.
I just heard a cow, I believe. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but pretty sure it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that? What you
Burrs.
got? You got birds on you. I don't know.
I thought it was a spider.
Most of them. Anyway. All right, let's go. Don't stop moving.
You should just wave that thing in front of you, and that way
Yeah.
the spider webs will knock out.
It's my secret weapon. Does it look like we're playing a video game? Ooh, look at this. Nice. All these little skinny trees. They're tall.
I just heard a cow.
Yeah, me too. Look at you getting out of the bag. Oh, I forgot to bring an extra battery. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. I almost wiped out on some mud. Woohoo!
Slippery mud.
Mosquitoes, get out of here. All right. I'll be back in a bit.